People ask, how long before I can travel after surgery? We perform outpatient surgery. This means that after surgery, you will be able to go home. However, it's not safe to drive initially because of the medications you receive during surgery, so you'll need someone to drive you. If, on the other hand, you've come a long distance, either out of state or a long drive, what we request is that you spend overnight in a local friend's house, a hotel, and then travel the next day. And for long trips, probably you'd want to add an extra day if you're out of the country.